Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can find Karakura Raid Shop in Type Seoul. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, you need to go to the bridge. Besides the bridge, there's a modern town and a traditional town. Go to the modern town side, climb the stairs, and the NPC will be in the house that is just above the stairs. That is the shop that people call the KT shop. In order to use it, you will first need to unlock it. Now, what you need to do is go to a server where your faction wins the KT raid, and she will tell you unlock the shop. Once unlocked, I recommend you buy accessories and also sell useless items in your inventory. So that's basically how you can find Karakura Raid Shop in Type Seoul. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.